really good looks here. Right at 2 o'clock. Nice and close. Got a little bit of scuffing, so momos do have predators out here, most likely sharks. They try to take a big. Try to really hear that exhalation of the whale.
Hopefully they'll come up.
They just finished bubble cloud feeding at about 5
There's the
o'clock.
green. What's that?
Oh, maybe not.
They supposed to follow the green. There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
Nice
Wow.
look at that whale. This is a humpback whale, guys.
That's awesome.
Send this water.
And they got a good view. Wow.
You really hear that exhalation from the whale. So these are humpback whales. So they're just cruising along here. We're in a good position to get some good looks at the undersides of the flukes. Really hear that exhalation. 2 of them cruising along here. And some really nice looks at these whales. Still here at 1 o'clock. 1 and 2. Right beside the boat. Arch to the back. And there's the nice fluke we got there. See if this other whale does that. Arch to the back, and fluke. There we go.
Wow.
Good look at these humpbacks at 11 o'clock. And you see that extension of the pectoral flippers? That usually means they're going to go on a dive. And we'll get some nice fluke. Oh, beautiful! That's gorgeous. Maybe this other one will give us a little bit of a fluke. You got a really good look at that fluke pattern. Yep. Get your cameras ready. Beautiful. There we go. Still right here at 11 o'clock. High arch to the back. And fluke. Beautiful. There we go. 2 o'clock. Nice and close. Close. We have a couple of humpback whales, pair of humpback whales. Beautiful. Going a little bit of a dive. That's a nice shot. We're getting a nice close look at 11 o'clock. So this is a basking shark at nice and close at 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
Keep it on our side.
Getting a real nice look on the left side of the boat here, 11 o'clock. Nice fun, calm days like today, you can definitely see a lot more than we think. This is a good sign for the ecosystem here in Stellwagen Bay when we see sharks like this. So this is a filter feeding shark right here at 11 o'clock. My goodness, this is a good look. Looking right alongside us. Really get some good looks at this basking shark here. Really close. Oh, 9 o'clock. Oh my goodness. This is probably one of the best looks I've had in a long time for basking sharks. So seeing sharks in an ecosystem like this, like I said, it's a very good sign. Nice and close at 9 o'clock. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I think he wants to say hi to you guys. Going under our boat. Going for a deeper dive. Right under the boat.